So, Assalamu alaikum students. In today's class, we are going to look after the problems which are already sent. ठीक है, तो one by one we will do. I am checking the questions. Write down the question. Three solids of masses m1, three solids of masses m1, m2, and m3 are connected with weightless string. Are connected with weightless string in succession. And are placed on a frictionless table. Frictionless table. If the mass m is dragged, if the mass m1 is dragged with a force T, the tension in the string between m2 and m3 Now, pay attention, students. So, these are the three masses. And the first mass, that is m1, is dragged by the force how much? T. That is the force T. We have to calculate the tension here. How much is the tension? Tension between the block m2 and m3. So I have given you one formula for tension beta. This we have already done this model, not this question, this model we have done. So to calculate tension, I have given you formula. Tension is equals to mass behind into acceleration. So I need this tension. So where is the mass? Mass is m3, this side. इधर रहेगा m3, ठीक है? ये है. Because the force is applied here. So to calculate this tension in the string, we have to take the mass behind, and the mass behind is just m3. I will write m3 here. m3. What is the acceleration of the system? Acceleration ke liye what I do? I'll calculate the concept F by using this concept. F net is equal to ma. F net, and m is the total mass. So therefore, what is this F net? How much is the force acting? T. That is equals to total mass is how much? m1 plus m2 plus m3 into a. So a is equal to t by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So a is equals to t by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So here I will take t by m3t by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So this is the answer for this, students. But a 120 last three digits of the phone number 120. This is the question you sent. So I hope you have understood. Please give the reply. Okay. Next question. Hmm. Question around. This is the question sent by 623. But 623 last three digits. Are you available in the class? 623. Okay. Question around. If the momentum of a body, this model already we have done beta, ठीक है चलिए. If the momentum of a body is increased by 100%, if the momentum of a body is increased by 100%, the percentage increase in kinetic energy is, the percentage increase in kinetic energy is, I am giving 2 minutes time for the students. Solve and tell me the answer, because this model we have done already. Answer Vijay beta, then I will solve. I am going to solve 6 to 3. I am going to solve beta. थोड़ा सा try करने की कोशिश करिए. Other students try this question because model we have done. If not, I am going to do after 2 minutes. Students have started sending the answer 300%. Okay, let us see. Okay बेटा देखेंगे, we will check it. Now, initial momentum, final momentum, initial kinetic energy, final kinetic energy. So बेटा यहाँ पे देखिए initial momentum we don't know. So 100% we consider initial momentum. Now the momentum is increases by 100%, means final it is increasing, right? So this is 100 plus 100, that gives us 200%. ये क्या हो रहा देखिए बेटा 200%. Next, initial kinetic energy 100%. Final kinetic energy, let us calculate what is the final kinetic energy. Initial values for percentage questions, already I said you, for percentage questions always you need to take about the initial values as 100. So therefore we am using this relation p square by 2m. तो यहाँ पे देखिए आप E is proportional to p square, mass is constant, so therefore E1 by E2 is equals to P1 square by P2 square. So what is E1, students? Here it is 100. E2 we have to calculate. Now you can see P1 by P2. This I can write P1 by P2 whole square also. So for that what I am doing is 100. P1 is 100. P2 is 200 square, whole square I am taking. So this is 100 one times, 100 two times. So 100 by E2 beta. That gives us 1 by 4. So E2 is equals to 400. I am getting 400%. So percentage increase we need. Percentage increase is equal to E2 minus E1. That is 400 minus 100. That is equals to 300%. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट यू सेंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा देखिए 623. It is directly you can use the ratio of the speed which is faster means you can just calculate the speed. So यहाँ पे देखिए बेटा kinetic energies they have mentioned 10 kilo electron volt. I'm speaking to 623. Be alert. So यहाँ पे देखिए बेटा kinetic energies are given 10 keV, that is 10 kilo electron volt. किलो मींस 10 पावर ऑफ -3, सॉरी 10 पावर ऑफ +3 लिखिए, और इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट की वैल्यू नीचे दिया हुआ है बेटा, यू कैन सी नीचे देखिए 1.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इज 1.6 into 10 to the power of -19, and use the formula kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Kinetic energy is equals to half mv square आप यूज करेंगे. देखिए मैं आई एम गिविंग यू द हिंट फॉर दिस. काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ mv square. ठीक है. Kinetic energy for the first particle is an electron, right? So this kinetic energy I can take 10 kilo electron volt, 1.6 into 10 to the power of -19 is equals to 1 by 2. What is the mass of electron? Mass of electron, that is also mentioned down, 9.1 into 10 to the power of -31. 9.1 into 10 to the power of -31 into v square. So what is unknown beta यहाँ पे? V is unknown. So you can calculate V value for your electron as well as we can calculate the V value for the proton. जो वैल्यू बढ़ के है that is the faster, which is faster, the electron or the proton. You can go with this. Next, the ratio of their speeds. तो दोनों की जो V1 यहाँ पे देखिए, this is for electron. You calculate for proton also. दोनों को divide करिए. Ratio means you have to divide. Is it okay beta? 6 to 3. Now next question. Determine the maximum acceleration. Next question beta. 081. 081. This question was sent by 081. Last 3 digit. Are you available in the class? 081 beta. Reply दीजिए. Zero eight one. No reply from 081. Write down. Determine the maximum acceleration. Question लिखिए बेटा. Determine the maximum acceleration of the train in which determine the maximum acceleration of the train in which a box lying on its floor on its floor will remain stationary. Given that the coefficient of static friction between the box and the train's floor, given that the coefficient of static friction between the box and the train's floor is 0.15, is 0.15. Is 0.15. Now just see, students, this is the floor of the train. This is the floor of a train. One box is kept. And this train, suppose it is moving with an acceleration A, that we need to calculate. Train is moving with an acceleration A here. So what happens, students? There will be a pseudo force. Suppose the mass of this block is m. So pseudo force which acts in the opposite direction. जो भी pseudo force रहेगा opposite direction में act होगा बेटा. और वो pseudo force जो है ना, it will be acting like this, ma on this. This is the pseudo force. Pseudo force will be acting in this way because the train is moving like that. So pseudo force will be acting in the opposite direction. Now, where is the direction of frictional force? Frictional force will be acting in this direction. Frictional force will be acting in this direction. And this formula for frictional force, you can see that is equal to mu s mg, frictional force. So how many forces are acting on this block? Two forces are acting. One is here, another is here. And we are saying that clearly it is said in the question, the block is stationary, it is not moving. So F net is equal to what I do. F net, it is stationary, no? F net will be 0 because it is stationary. This force must be equal to this force. It is stationary. So therefore, what I do here is, this is ma, and this is acting in the opposite direction. So therefore, we can say it is minus. Dekhiye beta, one force is acting like this, other force is, both are in the opposite direction. You can take either this minus this, or you can take this force minus this force. Both are applicable. So therefore, mu s mg is equal to 0. Now, this is m common. A minus mu s g is equal to 0. Now what I do, अच्छे से देखिए बेटा, what I do, I take this m in the denominator. So a minus mu s into g is equals to 0. Now acceleration we need to calculate. Acceleration is mu s into g. Acceleration 0.15 into g value, you can take 10, and answer is 1.5 meter per square second. This is the acceleration. Yes, students, this I'm checking almost all the doubts are over. So what we do know, beta, we do the questions from our module. Just now I checked all this, almost all the doubts I have cleared. तो बेटे यहाँ पे we do the questions from module. ठीक है, all of you take out your module. Module निकालिए. Work, energy, power, all of you. Page number 54, question number 7. चलिए बेटा, पेज नंबर 54, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Do this question and tell me the answer. Don't turn the page and just send it. I'm giving you the work from your module, page number 54, question number 7. '54 beta, page number 54, question number 7. Here I'm writing. ओके, नहीं है आपके पास, बुक नहीं है तो ठीक है, चलिए आई विल गिव, नॉट द इशू, आई लिटरेट इट. लिखिए बेटा, 2 masses. Here only one question is given, only one question है बेटा, but here I am going to give you 3 questions for this. ठीक है, लिखिए 2 masses of 5 kg and 10 kg. 2 masses of 5 kg and 10 kg are connected to a pulley, are connected to a pulley as shown. As shown. As shown. What will be the acceleration of the system? What will be the acceleration of the system? In bracket, G is equal to G is equal to acceleration due to gravity. That is, G is acceleration due to gravity. ब्रैकेट में लिखिए बेटा, G is equal to acceleration due to gravity. So two masses are there, 5 kg and 10 kg. They are hanging from a frictionless pulley. It is like, so what I do, this is the pulley. Here you can see it is 5 kg and this is 10 kg beta. This is 5 kg and this is 10 kg. So for this we need to calculate the acceleration of the system. Only one question what is given in the book, but here I am adding two more questions after doing the solution for this. Okay, so this is what you call, we need to calculate the acceleration, right? So हम already हम derive करे थे बेटा, you know the concept of Atwood's machine. ये हम already discuss करे हैं under the concept Atwood's machine. Atwood's machine. So A is equals to m1 minus m2 into G by m1 plus m2. So what I do, whichever is more, you have to take it as m1. I told you at the time of explanation only. So here, which one is more? 10 is more. So it is going to move down with an acceleration A, and this is going to move up with an acceleration A. This is more, so therefore this I will take m1 and this I will take it as m2. So m1 minus m2, that is 10 minus, this is 10 minus 5 by 10 plus 5 into G. So it is how much, students? 5 by 15 into G. 5 1 times, 5 3 times beta. So answer is G by 3. So the system, for this system, this block is coming down with an acceleration G by 3 and it is going up with an acceleration G by 3. That is the answer. So itna copy kar lijiye, then I'll give you two additional questions for this. Yes, C is the correct answer. Students have sent C. Correct, beta. Good. Now, इसमें ऐड करिए. In the above question, in the above question means this question only. In the above question, calculate the tension in the string. Calculate the tension in the string and calculate the tension in the string and the force on the pulley. The force on the pulley. Two questions I am adding beta. एक question लिखा है for calculate the tension in the string and the second one is the force on the pulley. Two questions can also be asked. ठीक है, चलिए. So first of all, tension in the string, tension where it acts. For these blocks, if I write, it will be, they will be away from, because tension is a pulling force. Already I told you, tension is a pulling force, so there will be away. Next, with respect to pulley, अगर आप draw करते हैं, with respect to pulley, the tension will be again away from the pulley. This is the situation. ठीक है? So anyhow, we need to calculate the tension. So formula for tension, if you are calculating, already we have derived the formula for tension. T is equals to 2m1 m2g by m1 plus m2. So 2 m1, what is m1? We are considering as 10, so this is 10. m2 is 5, g value as g only, or you can substitute g value as 10 also, it makes no difference beta, g की value of 10 भी आप ले सकते हैं, then you can calculate, but whether to calculate or not, it depends on the option, whether the answer is given in terms of g or whether they have given the numerical value for that. So it depends on the option. Okay, so by into g by m1 plus m2, that is 10 plus 5. So this is how much? 10 into this is 100 g by 15. So how much it is? 100 g by 15 कितना हो रहा देखिए. This is 5 3s are beta, 5 2s are. So this will become 20 g by 3. This much is the tension. और numerical value होना है तो numerical value g की value आप 10 ले लीजिए, 9.8 भी ले सकते हैं, depends on the option again. So I'm leaving the answer here itself. T is equals to 20 g by 3 is the answer. I'm leaving here. अगर आपको करना है तो g की वैल्यू 10 भी रख सकते हैं. चलिए रख लेंगे. चलिए आइए. This is 20 into 10 by 3, that gives you 200 by 3 Newton. 200 by 3 Newton is the answer. So this is the tension in the string. I can say this is the second part of the question. The third part of the question, what it says is how much force is there on the pulley? Kitna force hoga pulley pe? So force, if you see how much force is there on the pulley, so this is the force on the pulley. And this force is balanced by two tensions. That means if you see this pulley alone, then one force is acting upward, that is the force on the pulley. The two tensions are acting downwards. So in equilibrium position, what we can say here is upward forces are equal to downward forces. So upward force is F, downward force is T plus T. That gives you 2T. So this is 2 into, what is T, students? 200 by 3. So that gives us 400 by 3 Newton. This much is the force acting. Page number 53, question number 10 beta. Page number 53, question number 10. Ninth question is almost same as we have done this one. Already कर चुके हैं, तो question number 10. ठीक है. I am dictating the question. Beta, do you have the book or shall I dictate? Because students were replying to dictate the question. आपके पास है अगर तो why to dictate beta? नहीं, if you want me to dictate because of some reason, I am ready to dictate, but just give the reply. Shall I dictate or not? See, the one of the students 623, they are asking me to dictate. ओके ठीक है, चलिए कोई बात नहीं बेटे, डिक्टेट कर देंगे। लिखिए 3 blocks with masses m, three blocks with masses m, 2m and 3m, m, 2m and 3m are connected by strings, are connected by strings, are connected by strings as shown in the figure, as shown in the figure. Three blocks with masses m, 2m and 3m are connected by strings as shown in figure. Full stop. After an upward force F is applied, after an upward force F is applied, F is applied on block M, after upward force F is applied on block M, the masses move upward, the masses move upward at constant speed V. The masses move upwards at constant speed V. V. What is the net force? What is the net force on the block of mass 2m? What is the net force what is the net force on the block of mass 2m? In bracket write down G is acceleration due to gravity. G is acceleration due to gravity. चलिए बेटा यहाँ पे आई एम गिविंग 1 minute टाइम. Do it. If you get the answer, send the answer with the reason. Achha, for those who are not having the book, for them I'm drawing the figure also, because as shown in the figure is given, right? This is the figure बेटा, ये figure दिया हुआ है. This the force F is applied, moving with the constant velocity v, m, 2m, and this is 3m. I'm giving 1 minute time, solve it. If you don't get, I'll show you. Yes, very good. So here the net force will be 0, beta. Very good. The net force will be zero. The net force, why it is zero? The reason here is it is moving with the constant velocity or constant speed. So when as per the question, it is given as the on block the masses are moving upward at constant speed v. तो यहां पे हम लिखेंगे सिंपल से, since the masses are moving with constant speed, the acceleration is zero. So what is the force? That is F net. F net is equal to ma. So it is m, and a is what? 0. So it is 0. Now, but page number 52. Page number 52. Question number 9. It is the same model what we have done just now. You try it. Page number 52, question number 9. Do it. Tell me the answer. 52, question number 9. I'm waiting for the answers, beta. 9th one का answer चाहिए मेरे को. I don't know what is the answer. I have not checked. Let me check this answer first. Week 6 class assignment. Classroom assignment. Answer is D, beta. What is D here? D is 73.5. 73.5. Is everyone getting this 73.5? Answer from this assignment 73.5. You take the G value as 10. G value you take it as 10. Okay, you can take 9.8 beta. You can take 9.8 or you can take 10. आपकी मर्जी है. Approximate answer you will be getting. For that approximate answer, you can go for the with the answer, right? So what the formula you have to use? देखिए, I'm giving the formula. Tension is asked, right? So tension के लिए हम formula कौन सा use करेंगे बेटा? T is equals to 2m1 m2 g by m1 plus m2. Next, after this, question number 8. Question number 8, beta. This we have done already. Contact force. This topic we have done. You can take this concept, or you can compare this concept with the concept what we have done under laws of motion under the heading contact force. 2 blocks, 3 blocks, 4 blocks, any number of blocks will be given. आप कर सकते हैं इसको. Better you take this as an assignment for you. You do this problem and submit in today. Submit this question 2 days before 7. ये question अच्छा है बेटा. Question number 8. ठीक है? This is your homework. Now coming to work energy power. These questions we have done already. Page 95 we have done. 96 models also we have done. 97 also we have done. This is over. Is there anything to discuss? Sir, we have not done the question number 10 on page number 98. ठीक है बेटा, अभी देखेंगे. Page number 98, question number 10. This potential energy बेटा, equilibrium, stable equilibrium मतलब force आपको zero करना है. Force is what? du by dr. इसको आप differentiate करिए, differentiate this and equate it to zero. That is your answer. Nothing else. Only 2 steps. करिए, start करिए. Page number है 98, question number 10. Page 98, question number 10. It is home assignment, week 8 home assignment. Question number 10. Just what you do, you find du by dr differentiated and equated to 0. That the whatever the value you are getting, no, the value of r, that is the answer. The answer for this is 10th one, no? A by, sorry, b by 2a. We will differentiate. आइए, what is u beta? U is the potential energy. U is equals to a by r square minus b by r. U is equals to a by r square minus b by r. For stable equilibrium, force must be equilibrium, मतलब net force will be 0. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे what is this differentiation du by dr. Differentiate कर रहा हूँ बेटा. How to differentiate this? Pay attention. इसको this part we can what we can do here is differentiation जब हम जाएंगे. So this is a as it is, r power minus 2 if I take up minus b r power minus 1. You know why what I am doing? I am taking this r square in the numerator and r also in the numerator. Now what is the formula? What is the differentiation formula? इसको हम कैसे differentiate करेंगे? आइए बेटा. r power minus 2 means n का power minus 2 है, तो formula is what? n into r power n minus 1 x, n into x power n minus 1, but n value is how much here? Minus 2. So what I have to do here is minus 2 r power, what is this? N is how much? Minus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 r, ये बन गया बेटा मेरे लिए minus 3. Minus 2 r power minus 3. So when I differentiate this part, you know, a r power minus 3 minus 2 is also there. That minus 2 I am writing here. Minus this b as it is. Let us go for this r power minus 1. Differentiation for r power minus 1. Again we apply the same formula. N into r power n minus 1. N is what? Minus 1. R as it is. N again minus 1. This is also minus 1. So minus r power minus 2. Minus r power minus 2. So this is minus r power minus 2 we are getting. Minus r power minus 2 we are getting. तो यहाँ पे देखिए अब क्या हो रहा है बेटा, माइनस आर पावर माइनस 2. अब हम इसी को सिंपल लेकर जाके इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. सो दिस माइनस इंटू दिस माइनस, दिस विल बिकम प्लस आर पावर माइनस 2. So force, you know the formula for force, minus du by dr, and this is for stable equilibrium, force must be 0. मतलब du by dr, whatever the value we have calculated, no, इसको आप 0 कर लीजिए. Minus 2a r power minus 3 plus b r power minus 2 is equal to 0. So what I do, I take this part that side. तो ये क्या बन रहा है जरा अच्छे से देखिए. So b r power minus 2, this is minus 2 बेटा, that is equals to, इसको इधर भिजा दीजिए, 2a r power minus 3. Now this can be done as b by, you take this in the numerator, denominator now, so this will become r square, that is equal to 2a by 2a, यहाँ पे हो गया बेटा, और ये बन गया मेरे लिए r क्यूब. सो 1 और यहाँ से r कैंसिल हो गया, सो b इज इक्वल्स टू 2a बाई r. So r is equals to 2a by b. Answer is 2a by b, it should be better, not a b by 2a. Answer is 2a by b. B bit. देखिए there is a mistake in the key बेटा, यहाँ पे you can see the answer we are getting is 2a by b, but that answer is given as here as b. लेकिन यहाँ पे what the option they have given 10th में they have given answer as a, that is wrong. 100% रॉन्ग, क्योंकि बेटा यहाँ पे देखिए सॉल्यूशंस में दे गॉट द आंसर ऑन पेज नंबर 110. यू कैन चेक ऑन पेज नंबर 110, दे हैव द डिफरेंट मेथड फॉर दैट, लेकिन हम जो कैलकुलेट करें उसी पे हम जा रहे हैं. तो बेटे यहाँ पे देखिए 110 पे, पेज नंबर 110 पे आंसर व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग फॉर स्टेबल, द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पार्टिकल फॉर स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम, द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पार्टिकल इज 2a by b, राइट. तो यही आंसर है हमारे पास, जो आंसर यहाँ पे बुक में है. सोल्यूशन पार्ट इज 2a by b, दिस इज ऑल्सो 2a by b, बट द की में जो आंसर है वो आंसर थोड़ा सा अलग हो गया बेटा, की आप करेक्ट कर लीजिए, ठीक है. आंसर की को करेक्ट करना. After copying this, you can leave the session. Thank you.